Build this?
Well, how I really did this was I had this cardboard box of Valentine's Day. It was filled with chocolate. Is this in my recycling bag? So I had a piece of paper that I could hold it, that I folded, and then I put tape that stick so I could go like this. The pointer goes first because it's not very heavy. It'll go farther, like other airplanes. Paper.
Okay.